You know what we do when a program gets stuck or can't be closed normally? Yes, we right-click on the Windows button, open Task Manager, find the specific process in this long list, right-click on it again, and click End Task. What if this option was right on our taskbar? Let's find out how to do that. First, open Windows Settings by right-clicking on the Windows button. Go to the System menu. Scroll down a bit until you find the Advanced section here. Open it. Then you'll see the option to enable End Task in the taskbar right-click menu. Toggle it on, and now it should work. Let's check. I'm going to try it with the Calculator app. Right-click on the app in the taskbar, and just like this, you'll see the End Task option here. Clicking on it will close the app. You won't have to go to Task Manager again to do this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. And if you found this video valuable, please like the video. See you in the next video.